Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. So, by default, to call voice assistant, you need to press and hold the touch area at your right earbud. So press and hold it for at least like maybe 1-2 seconds. Now let's test it, so press and hold. And after you hear a tone, you will call voice assistant, as I just do. I will call Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Also, we can customize it, so we have something what called MyTab, and we can set to call voice assistant at this MyTab. You need to open Backbeat application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and you need to go to the settings, because firstly click at the switch primary earbud and check you have MyTab at the left or right earbud. Right now I have it at the left earbud. If you want to, so if you have MyTab at the right earbud, you cannot use this feature what I tell you before, press and hold. So you can switch MyTab, it's up to you. Let's leave it at the left earbud. And now we can set it MyTab, so we can click at the MyTab at the settings or at the main menu. Right here at the left bottom we have it. Now select you want to use single press or double press. Let's go with a single press and select Google Assistant. Now I'm going to use single tap at my left earbud. So I just tap on it and I should call voice assistant. And as you can see, I just call it, but usually you need to put your earbuds to your ears and then tap one time. So it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!